My experience, I never shared it here, but since 18th of April onwards, I'm on bench. Okay, I don't have any projects, so I thought that I have got enough time. Let's start something new, and I'm good at cooking, so my society is quite big. So I thought, why not start something? So I started with tiffin services. I thought, let's serve the people. So I started cooking for people. Start was really good. I got good response from people. But because of the physical work, I used to get irritated, and that irritation used to come out on my mom and my daughter. The time I joined the course, it was so relaxing that I know where I need to focus my energies on, not on letting my irritation on my mom or my daughter. तो अभी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा काम भी कर पाती हूँ. Still I'm very peaceful. As I told you कि मम्मा डिमेंशिया पेशेंट है, तो मम्मी से बहुत सी ऐसी छोटी बड़ी बहुत सी ऐसी गलतियाँ हो जाती है, because she doesn't have control over her body. तो वो छोटे छोटे फ्रिक्शंस भी मुझे बहुत इरिटेशन देते थे. I really used to blast on them. But अब समझ में आता है because what she must be going through, वो किस इससे गुजर रही होंगी, इसकी वजह से उनसे वो गलतियां होती है. तो I am becoming more understanding कि वो क्या कर रही होंगी. I am becoming more peaceful inside. तो मैं उनके ऊपर भी ज़्यादा नहीं चल जाती. And from last few days, मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता था whether ये काम continue करूँ because I'm physically getting exerted and all. But from last few days, पता नहीं क्या हो गया, लोग इतना ज़्यादा appreciate कर रहे हैं, इतना ज़्यादा appreciate कर रहे हैं. I don't know what's gone wrong with them. कि they are like they wait for my menu to come, and every day they will be behind me कि आपका कल का मेनू नहीं आया, आपका कल का मेनू नहीं आया. And I'm really enjoying it. And I always wanted to start something of my own apart from my TCS job. Right. So I कभी thoughts आते हैं कि इसे बंद कर दूं, कभी thoughts आते हैं कि shall I grow or expand in it. Then I thought कि नहीं, in any field I have to expand, I have to explore myself. This is not the only thing which I need to do. So let's leave it on the universe. जो होगा, I'll accept it. Let the things come to me, and I'm ready to accept it. So things are really going good. I'm enjoying it. I do Ang Shaktikaran every day. So I initially used to have pain here, but no pain at all. No single pain in the body. It has become so flexible that I think I can do anything in this world. Anything. So changes are lot many to share. As in every day many changes are happening. My daughter, she has become so active. She was really very lazy, but nowadays she gets up at 7. She goes for cycling on her own. My mom gets up early in the morning without asking her to get up. So there are many changes happening in me and around the world. So it's really nice.
That's very beautiful, and it's all energy shift happening. You see that? Once you change your energy, the inner world changes, the outer world starts to change in itself. And if you have purity of intention, a strong intention with pure thought and mind, abundance starts coming in every direction, in every dimension.
Yeah, I never used to feel that. I know that gratitude is the biggest attitude, but that never used to come from within. And now, even while having fruits or even having water, even somebody says that your food was nice, that the gratitude gradually comes as an, okay, fine, thanks, that you are appreciating something. So that is getting inbuilt in me now, and I'm happy about it.
Good, and most of it I see because you're doing those practices every day. Anga Shaktikaran is very, very, very powerful, guys. It's very powerful. It looks very simple, but it's too powerful when done consistently every single day without a break. Yeah.
So at times people do ask me how you could manage so many things in a day. So I said, at times there is one customer of mine who is a psychology student. He's 60 years, but he still studies psychology. So he's like, don't tell me yoga. I said, you don't believe it, but I believe in it. So maybe because of yoga that I'm getting it.
Tell him it's a classical yoga. Instead of yoga, you change the definition, because when you say yoga, people think, oh, they have already been doing and they're not good. And they're right. Their subconscious believes that yoga doesn't give any results. So when I use the word, you're not doing yoga, I'm not doing yoga, I'm doing yoga, then there's then they need to pay attention. And then you pay attention, you get results. Okay?
Yeah.
All the best, and let's talk about the mantra.